Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in front of you is the one set of a Brembo brakes from Evo 8 and 9. So today I'm gonna be doing assembly of these so you guys can check it out how it's done. Of course, all this rebuild kit I'm gonna have down in description, so you guys can find it easily for your Evo. So yeah, pretty much it's a really easy thing. You get pretty much everything in the set. So yeah, let's start with it. So here it is. First, you're gonna need your rubber seal right here. Inside here there is a groove that this seal has to go. These are 40 millimeter set, so you're gonna have a different kinds of sets for different kinds of makers of cars. In this case, like I said, this is a Evo. Also, it comes with a silicone grease. You're gonna want to use that as a lubricant for your rubber seals. Make sure you lubricate that really good, like so. Now you're gonna grab one of your pistons. Pistons are yours, are actually the ones that came from this set. In this rebuild kit you're not gonna get pistons, so you're gonna reuse the old ones. Make sure you clean them really good. All right. Also, if you have any imperfections on them, like for example right here, there's a screwdriver. It's a screwdriver nick. You wanna smooth that down so it doesn't tear your seal. All right. Right there, it's all in smooth. Now of course you want to clean it. We can do it with a, let's see if I have brake cleaner right here, right there. Okay, try it out. Wipe it, and then you're gonna use your silicone okay, place the ring there, piston there. Now you're gonna use one of these, a dust boot or a shield. All it is, it just prevents a dust from going into the brake cylinder. You have to, if you pay attention right here, this boot have to go in all around right there. See it? Okay, and then it pops back like that. All right. So now all we're gonna do is push this cylinder piston inside. There it is. It snaps in there. Right. Clean it a little bit. All right. And now we're gonna put these right here. We have old ones that are not good, so we went and purchased 4 brand new ones. Right there. It's a Allen wrench. Some people use Loctite here. I will not use it. I don't think it's necessary right here, but for some other places I'll show you, I definitely use. All right, that's one done. Let's move on to another one. So this part I'll probably speed up. So here we go. I got both of them done, right? One thing that I noticed in this set, it comes this little O-ring. It's supposed to go inside there, and it's a little bit too big, right? But then I have a replacement one. It's right there. Right there. And it fits perfectly. Alright, so now I am going to put this over this, put them together, and then I'm going to use a shorter bolt that I wire brushed, and I'm going to screw it back on here, and then one more shorter bolt. Actually, this is the part where you want to use a Loctite. In my case, I'm going to use some red. Not too much. Some red Loctite right there. Oh no, wrong hole. Make sure you don't forget the ring right there. There it is. Alrighty, now we're gonna pull this one out. There, put it back in. Okay, now to the larger ones, or longer ones right here. By the way, this is for the Eclipse. Actually, these Evo brakes are gonna go on my 2G Eclipse, and they will fit on the rear brakes. Will fit perfectly. Also, you can reuse a stock 2G Eclipse brake line. You can reuse it. It will work just fine. Okay, now to the tightening. I could not find the torque for this, but I tightened it really good because it was also a pain to loosen them. So I suggest you tighten them really good. Alright, that's pretty much how they look after you install them. And here it is, the Eclipse 2G 2G a brake line. Also, these are the bleeders. They screw in right there. You have two on each, one on each side. I will be putting the new ones, something similar to this. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today, how to install a Brembo calipers back to Eclipse. This is actually gonna go on Eclipse, so I mean, this is just me showing you how to actually put them together, rebuild them. And yeah, it's a final product right here. All it needs is just the top two retainers that hold the clip for the pads and the line, and yeah, that's it. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.